Hi, my name is Ishwar. I'm the founder of Unsolved. We help you launch a private professional network on your own domain. Think of it a little like LinkedIn, but it's on your own domain, your own brand, right? All of that. The demo that I'm showing you here is of Avengers. It's a demo community, but this name could be the name of your brand or your product or your company, right? It can completely be that. Um, Quickly, I'm going to show you some of the functionalities here. The feed looks and feels a little bit like LinkedIn. Supports all formats, be it video, be it GIFs, be it articles, all of that. And the interesting thing is that we will soon launch the ability to even go live with audio and video discussions right here on the feed, and people can join those discussions right here. Right. The second important thing that you see here is messaging. Right now, messaging, the way we have built it out is a little different from or let's say it's similar to WhatsApp. WhatsApp web, you kind of see those interfaces, right? So this looks a little bit like WhatsApp web. uh, the mobile web version or your chat version on your app will look a little bit like WhatsApp and function like WhatsApp, right? So here what you see is that there are both individuals that I'm conversing with and groups that I'm conversing with. Groups are created typically by the admin of the community. So you can just go here, click group and name the group and choose an image and just launch the group. And groups are a great way to get people of different, of similar needs put together in one place, right, for your community. And the people that you have conversation with move up, the people you're not conversing with move down. So therefore it makes it more and more relevant, right? I mean, your conversations are more and more relevant. Looking at the rest of the sections, there's a members tab where you can go and check out what a person is doing, get a quick about or a profile headline, right? There's a startup directory as well, or a company directory, right? And you can go there and click and actually add comments, right? So you can add comments, you can leave a suggestion. Think of it a little bit like product hunt, right? Where your community can actually add value to each other, can collaborate, can discuss, can offer suggestions, etc. Knowledge is a shared knowledge repository. Any of your members can add to it. If you, as a community owner, want to add knowledge to your community in an effortless manner, you can also choose to do that by reaching out to a global unsolved repository of curated articles and just look at what we are already curated and then just one click add it to your community, right? So it makes it easy to add content. Events, cornerstone of communities. You want to create a meetup, you want to create a hackathon, a pitch event, whatever else, right? That you wish to create. It's easy to create. If you want to distribute that, you can distribute it to Unsolved Global. We will share it to other communities as well, right? So are you doing this just for your community or to spread the word, right? So courses, fairly easy to understand, right? You can launch a course, you can price it in, right? People can access it from a single interface. So your community and your courses kind of come together, and therefore make it easier for you to keep stuff in one place. Jobs. If you are running a professional network, jobs could be a critical feature for you. You could create jobs within the community, right? Or if you are looking to add jobs to your community from a global repository, you can do that. All of this can be automated as well. So let's say if you're running a designer community and therefore you select keywords or saying design. If there's a job for designer, please add it to my community. We can automate that and automatically keep adding jobs that come up to your community, right? uh, and finally, if you want to customize all of this, right? I mean, you want to customize all of this, it's fairly easy to do. We're a complete no code platform. You don't need to really know how to code at all. You have a dashboard, right? You can change the name of your tabs. Let's say you want to call the messaging feature chat, right? You want to change members to, founders, for example. Right, and let's say you don't want to sell courses for some reason, right? So therefore you just knock off the courses tab altogether. Right, and then as soon as you click submit, you will find a few changes, right? You can go back to your page. Now members has become founders. There is no courses tab, so you can decide what is relevant for you, what is not. You can customize it fairly easily, share content within your community, publish it to Unsolved Global, and more.